Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. If you guys are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a styling service where you are matched with a personal stylist that picks and chooses pieces for you based on your wants, your needs, and what you are looking to update your wardrobe with. Stitch Fix costs $20, but that $20 is credited towards your account. So if you were to keep one item or all of your items, you are automatically credited $20 towards your purchase. With Stitch Fix, you have the ability to link your social media so that your stylist can see you a little bit better, see your style a little bit better, and just really get to know you. I personally link my Pinterest, which has really helped me so far in sharing what my style is, like what pieces I want to try out, what trends I'm really enjoying. And that's something I would really recommend, especially if you are struggling. If you're interested, I do always keep my social media, including my Pinterest, down in the description box down below. I will have a link to sign up for Stitch Fix down below as well if you are interested. And I will have all of the products that I share with you guys today listed down below as well. With Stitch Fix, you do have the ability to request specific items from your stylist. So if you have the brand name, the product name, you can send it to your stylist, and if it's available in your size, they can send that to you. And you also have the ability to request specific items as well. So if you need an outfit for like an upcoming wedding or date night, or like a interview, something like that, you do have the ability to do that as well. For today's video, I will be honest, I kind of forgot that my box was coming, so I didn't request anything specific from my stylist, which is kind of unlike me. I usually try to request specific items before my box comes, but I totally forgot, and I will be honest, this isn't my absolute favorite box, and I think that has to do with, again, me not requesting what I really wanted. So half of this box is kind of summery and the other half is more fall. I really like the fall pieces, but you guys know probably by now that I'm kind of done shopping for summer. So that was a little bit of a fail, but again, not really my stylist's fault as I didn't mention anything. But now that this intro is so incredibly long, I'm so sorry I keep on chatting today. I want to get this video started. So if you guys are interested in seeing this Stitch Fix unboxing and try on, then please keep watching. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I did receive 2 more summery items, and then the other 3 are more fall appropriate. I want to get started with the summery piece first. This one is from the brand Papermoon. This is the Arlene Halter blouse in a size extra large, and this one cost $38. So this is what the blouse looks like here. As mentioned in the title, it is a halter style piece, so it goes up higher on the neck. There is a little bit of like pleating in the chest here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then it's this beautiful yellow color with the florals all over it. In the back, we do have this little keyhole detail as well. Love the design of this top. Love the color scheme on here. But as I mentioned, I'm really just not looking for summery pieces. And to me, this obviously just kind of screams summer in my opinion. I would have a hard time transitioning this one to fall. If I'd received this piece probably like a month or so ago, I probably would have kept it, but I just can't at this point. And another thing I will say about this one, unfortunately the fit is off as well. It's a little tight in my chest area, so I probably would need to size up to the XXL. The material of this blouse and the next one I'm going to share is non-stretch, so hopefully you guys can tell it just really clinged to my chest region, so that's the only unfortunate thing about it. But other than that, I really do like the design and the color scheme on this one. The next top, as I mentioned, also has the same material, but this one is also from Papermoon. This is the Kiera Keyhole back blouse in a size extra large, and this one costs $38 as well. So these tops are both from Papermoon. So this is what the blouse looks like here. This one is more of a faller, like fall-y piece. I actually really quite like this a lot. So it is a brown, like mocha color with the black polka dots all over it. Has these really pretty little ruffle sleeves, and then it is a standard blouse. However, in the back we do get that little keyhole detail. In the try-on portion, I paired this with a pair of Black jeans, they're a little bit more faded. I would probably wear it with more of a truer black jean, but that's kind of what I had for the time being. But I'd totally wear this with black jeans. And I think I did actually prefer this blouse tucked in comparison to it not being tucked in. I just felt like tucking it in kind of gave it a more casual vibe, whereas wearing it untucked, I felt like that was a little bit more businessy, a little bit more business casually, which I'm most definitely looking for a piece like this to dress down. I do want to size up in this one to the XXL because, like I said, with the last one, this top is also a little tight in the chest region, so I'd like to size up. But let me know what you guys think about this piece down below. I think it is so cute, and I could truly see myself getting a lot of use with this one, a lot of use out of this one in the fall time. But I just feel like one more size wouldn't hurt, especially because I was a little uncomfortable in this region. But this top actually would look so cute with a Moto Jacket, and Stitch Fix actually sent me one in this box. So this Moto Jacket is from Liverpool. This is the Bradford Moto Denim Jacket. This one's in a size extra large, and this cost $98. That's interesting because I didn't realize it was called a denim Moto Denim Jacket. This jacket actually has a lot of stretch to it, and I think it might be due to the fact that it's denim. So this is what the Moto Jacket looks like here, and it's in this beautiful like dark purple eggplant color. Love this color so much. I definitely do not own anything in this color. It is a Moto Jacket, so we have that zipper design in the front. There are true pockets on each side. We have silver hardware and then some little buttons on the sleeves. There's some other buttons on this jacket, but I love this jacket so much. The material is so incredibly nice, so stretchy. You guys, look at this stretch. It just lays on the body really well. I feel like I could get a lot of use out of this with so many different pieces in the fall. It's just so unique with this different color. I will say one thing, I wish it was one size smaller because I do typically like my Moto Jackets to be a little bit more form-fitting, even though it feels amazing on the body and I think it looks okay. Just for personal preference, I do like it to be a little bit more form-fitted. I always have issues with jackets being a little bit bigger in my shoulder region, which I could see it specifically with this one. The hardest thing for me though with this jacket and keeping it is the price tag, honestly. I know I've been shopping for fall appropriate pieces, so this one definitely falls in that category. But I'll be honest, spending $100 on a jacket is a little bit different than spending $20 on a sweater, especially because I'm not going to be able to wear this jacket for probably at least 2 months because it's just way too warm right now. So let me know what you guys think about this piece. Let me know if you think I should keep it. You do have the ability to request pieces later, so maybe I don't want to keep this one right now. I could keep it in a few months when it cools down, or I could request it again in a few months when it cools down, and if it's available, my stylist could send it to me. So I'm thinking I might do that because, like I said, I'm just having a hard time spending $100 on a jacket that I can't specifically wear right now. But definitely let me know what your thoughts are on this one and all of the pieces I'm sharing so far today down below in the comments. The next piece I actually had underneath the Moto Jacket in the try on portion, and this one is a dress. It's from the brand French Gray. This is the Phoebe pleated midi dress in a size extra large, and this one costs $64. Now I will be honest, when I pulled this out of the box, I really didn't think too much of it. I really didn't think I was going to like it for some reason, even though it's leopard, which you guys know I love. But trying it on, you guys, it really sat well on the body. It also is a really nice material, very stretchy, very beautiful, that I am contemplating keeping this one as well. So this is what the piece looks like here. So it is a color blocked dress with the tank top style in the front, or up at the top. The top also does have a V-neck detail, and then we go to that leopard print bottom. The bottom portion of the dress is actually pleated, and there is also a second layer under here, so you get some additional coverage. This dress fits at a midi length, which is perfect for me. This could easily be worn to work, in my personal opinion, and I actually think you could even dress this one down with maybe some sneakers for like an everyday wear. Still contemplating this one. I actually think it looked really, really good with that Moto Jacket. So both the spotted top and the leopard dress are wins for me, and the Moto Jacket I think looks good with all of them. But I'd love to know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. And the last piece I have to share with you guys today is a pair of shoes. This is my last kind of summary piece that I was referring to. These shoes are from Steve Madden. They are the Dina leather sandal in the color rose gold. They're in a size 10 and these cost $59.95. Now I did have these shoes actually pinned to my Pinterest board for a while now. I've been kind of wanting them from Stitch Fix for a while because I did see them online and knew that they were sold at Stitch Fix, but I never received them, and now I feel like it is a little too late. So they are a rose gold sandal. They have the strap detail across the feet and then the one that goes up kind of around the ankle as well. The bottom of the shoe is brown and then the rest is rose gold. They are so incredibly cute. I did not try these on for you guys in the try on portion because mama needs a pedicure bad. Sorry, TMI, I'm going tomorrow. But I was not trying these on and showing my feet for you guys. But they are super cute. Like I said, I've been wanting to try these shoes out for a while. I pinned them like in July, I think it was, in a different color, but I never received them and I never specifically requested them because it wasn't a big deal. But now I just don't need them, and for $60, like, I just can't imagine spending that much right now, being that I won't get to use them too much in the rest of the summer. But they are so incredibly comfortable. If you are still looking for some sandals, I feel like Steve Madden is the way to go. I have a bunch of sandals from Steve Madden and I've been very, very happy with them all summer long. So you guys, that was actually all of the pieces that I had to share today from Stitch Fix. I feel like we just flew through this video. If you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I shared today, I will have them all listed in the description box down below, including my size in case you guys are interested in requesting them from your personal stylist. I will also have a link in the description box down below if you're interested in trying out Stitch Fix. It is my favorite styling service. Although this wasn't my favorite box ever, I do feel like they just do the best job matching my personal style. But I think that's gonna do it for today's video. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.